Welcome to my channel. It's Mishan. I'm here with another amazing video. In today's video, I'm going to be preparing posho. I'm going to be preparing silverfish, which we even call mukene. I'm here with baby Sharon. He's here enjoying his mango. And guys, he's a very great cook. We are going to be cooking for you guys with the village food, the food that we always eat in the village. Mukene is cheap, posho is so common. So that's what we are going to be doing. So guys, let's get into it. And guys, I'm so much grateful for those of you who have already subscribed. We are making it. So guys, if you're new, please kindly subscribe. And my prayers are always with you because you're my beautiful family. Yeah. So guys, let me begin by making my fire. I'm going to begin with preparing sauce. Actually, let me start. I'm splitting firewood. It's the one I'm going to use in preparing my food. I've already fetched my water. It's in the pot. So right now I'm going to prepare my fire, and then I put water for my posho, and I have to put Sharon on the back so that he doesn't get burnt. So easy, just like this. And he's safe. This tree right here is a multi-purpose tree. This is where I keep my things. The matchbox is right here. This is my grass that I'm going to use in making the fire. Within just 1 minute, the fire is, I've already made my fire. And now I'm going to put water for posho. So right now I'm going to put water in my saucepan. I've already fetched the water. This is going to be enough. My fire is ready, so I'm just going to put. And then I put in more firewood. Then as my water is getting ready, I'm going to be starting my silverfish. So guys, right here, this is my silverfish, the one I'm going to cook. It's right here, just like this, which we call mukene. I'm not going to cook the whole of it, but I'm just going to pick a little. These ones are going to be enough, and I begin preparing this. You can't give a baby something like this. Just give them soup. because it can choke. No, this is for salting, Mama. It's not so even dirty, but you have to check because sometimes there are some smells, so it is okay. I'm done salting my silverfish, and right now I'm mingling my portion. You just get boiled water and then you add there your maize flour, and then you start mixing water with portion, and you can keep on adding water or flour depending. If you find that your portion is like porridge, then you have to add flour, but if you find that it is so hard, then you add in more water. Yeah guys, that's how mingling is done. So right now my portion is very ready. It's ready to be eaten. Very ready. So I'm going to remove it, put it on the plate. I leave it to cool a little bit. Then as I'm preparing my sauce, and even my baby has slept, so I'm going to take him to bed and he sleeps. I'm trying to organize it. So this is my plate right here. So I'm going to put my portion just like this, and then I begin preparing sauce. So my portion is ready, and now this is my silverfish. I'm going to first fry it a little bit, and then make my perfect sauce. Just like that. And then I keep on turning around so that it does not get burnt. So my silverfish is ready. And now I'm going to fry them. That's my saucepan right there for the sauce. And you know what? I'm going to add it in beans. Yeah, to make a perfect match. In dry beans. This is how my sauce looks like. And right now I'm going to add in some salt. The salt that I'm going to add is even going to be enough for the beans that I'm going to add. I put in fire. Then I keep on stirring. At this point I'm going to add in some beans. They are right here. The salt is already there. Onions are there. You take some beans, silverfish, tomatoes, This is an amazing dish that you guys need to try it out with posho. Yeah. So now I'm going to put in my fire for like 5 minutes and my sauce would be ready for eating. So right now my sauce is ready. This is how it looks. This is how it looks. My posho is very ready. This is how it looks and how wonderful it is. And right now I'm going to enjoy. This is the amazing food which I've cooked. Posho, silverfish with beans. So amazing. Yeah, you can even add this after eating. You enjoy your mango. I'm so grateful for always taking your time to watch my videos. I'm so happy for those who are part of this family. Guys, you can join this family by just clicking on that subscription button. Yeah, like the video, comment, let us interact together like people in one family. So guys, I'm going to enjoy my lunch. The baby is still sleeping. I'm going to enjoy this beautiful posho right here, and it is so great. And that was it from me today. Bye bye.